Today's little dog walk is up the Maitai Valley in Nelson. We used to walk up here for, crikey, maybe a couple of hours sometimes, but now that Oakley's getting older, he just likes to go on smaller walks, spending his time sniffing. So I decided that I'd take both Oakley and Boo up the Maitai, and we just checked out the spring flowers, as I always do. The dogs just wandered at their own pace, and they stopped off for a swim, which you'll see a wee bit later. We saw some lambs, loved the tui singing. You always know it's spring when they're chortling away. Anyway, hope you enjoy our little venture. One happy little tui singing away there in a kōwhai tree, absolutely loaded with pollen. Oh my goodness, Boo does this every time there is sand, so you can imagine what my car looks like after our walks. Oh, my gorgeous boy Oakley. Look, he's looking across the river and he spots those ducks. And he's thinking, should I swim over and chase them? And nah, he decides, no, not today.